Hello. In today's episode, we will discuss very briefly about the Ministerial Decree of 279 of 2020, which was adopted by the ministers in Abu Dhabi, which basically address the issues of employment during the pandemic that we are currently experiencing in the UAE and around the world. So basically, a decree is a decision which is adopted by the ministers, which would answer a specific situation. So over here, the decree is really about the measures that can be adopted by employers with regards to the employment during the pandemic. So basically making an exception to the current labor laws that are in effect in this country. So I think it's very important to note that the measures that are mentioned within the decree have to be applied gradually by the employers. So in other words, an employer cannot immediately decide to cut the salaries of the employees or to put them on unpaid leave without having tried the other measures before. However, the decree is silent as to how long an employer has to take before he can go to another measures. But I think it's important at this stage to remember as an employer that you would need at some point to demonstrate to the Ministry of Labor that a certain process has been respected while implementing those measures. And so that if any employees were to complain about the way things were handled, the employers would be able to show the gradation of the measures. In the future episodes, we will look into the application of those measures and what those measures really entail, both from an employer and an employee's perspective. If you have any questions in the meantime, I invite you to get in touch with us by email at info@hmlc.ae or on the various platforms as it will be shown at the end of this short video. I thank you very much for your attention, and I look forward to seeing you again on the next episode.